Hi guys, a 5-minute brew video here. Quick video for you this evening regarding the use of hydrometer. When I was new to brewing, you got your kit, you got this hydrometer, and what on earth is it for? Where do we stick it? Let me try and help you out. Okay, so as brewers we need to know at two specific points how much sugar is in our solution. First point being at the start of fermentation, and then when we think fermentation has finished. Okay, this is the turbo cider I'm making at the moment. This is the original gravity or the start reading. Basically fill the trial jar up to a certain level, pop your hydrometer in there, let it float. The point that you can see there gives you your reading. Okay, moving on to final gravity now. Once we think that fermentation is finished, we need to again pour out a sample. As you can see here, the hydrometer is sitting much lower in the liquid. All of that sugar has been eaten by the yeast, and it's sitting in that yellow band there, around 1.0, which means all the sugar has been used up. We can now safely bottle. And this is probably the most important part of using a hydrometer, is being able to check that fermentation has actually completed and that there's the correct amount of sugar left in the solution. So you're not going to bottle too early, risk exploding bottles or overcarbonated beer. So I hope that's all made sense and been useful to you. There's a little bit of maths and science in the end credits to help you work out your ABV. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.